Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and there is nothing quite so nostalgic as the sound of a cracking glow stick. I had so much fun with glow sticks as a kid. I wanted to make sure that my kids had just as much fun, and that's why I got this 100 pack of glow sticks by Glow Mine. And let me tell you, it really took me back. We had dance parties, we jumped around on the trampoline together, and we just had so much fun. And they also came in really handy when our power went out. What I love about glow sticks so much is that you don't have to worry about batteries. We were able to leave these throughout our house when we lost power. I found that they were really useful on staircases and outside of bedroom doors. Also nice and handy to have in a bathroom setting. I found that these were so long lasting. The packaging says 12 plus hours, and let me tell you, the plus hours is definitely true. I found that every time we use these actually glowed for more than 24 hours. If you're looking to have some good old fashioned fun with your kids, then get yourself some glow sticks. And that's my point of view.